Today, I'm going to talk to you about something that's near and dear to my heart, entertainment attorneys. So when does a manager, indie artist, or indie label need to start thinking about hiring an entertainment attorney? You're probably wondering, well, this don't apply to me because I can't afford an entertainment attorney. Don't sell yourself cheap. You always have to protect yourself in the music industry. So let me be 100% clear. Before you sign any legal contract binding your rights for a set amount of time, make sure you hire an attorney. It may not even cost you any upfront money. So stay tuned and I will give you the 411 on all this and more about the legal profession and music. I am Debbie Eagle, who has been coined the Streets Entertainment Attorney. And this is my channel where we talk about the music business. I try to give you practical advice where I can help you to grow in this very tough, difficult music industry. In this video, I'm going to talk about music attorneys. And if that is of interest to you and you're struggling and trying to move your career forward, I want to put something in your hands for free that will help you progress in the music business. I have created checklists that are in my music business instruction manual called For the Record. I will be happy to share them with you. Absolutely free, no obligations. Simply go to my website at www.emusicentertainment.net/checklists, fill in the form, and I will deliver these checklists straight to your email. These checklists will help you take the steps you need to move your music career forward. Also, you can subscribe to my Instagram and my YouTube channel to learn more about the music business at eMusicENT. So now, let's get back to attorneys. Make sure if you're in the music business and you're presented with an agreement that you hire an entertainment attorney before you sign that agreement. Again, before you sign it. But don't hire someone who's in a different type of practice. You wouldn't go to an electrician if you needed a plumber. So if you have a friend who's doing real estate law, don't use them. And when you start talking to entertainment attorneys, make sure they're practicing in the music business because they could be doing TV, maybe they're working with painters. So you want to make sure that they have the most current information on the music business, and more importantly, that they know what the music industry norms are. Because when you sign a contract, you're going to be locked in for multiple years. And if it's not a good fit, or you didn't understand the rights that you are giving away then, and now you're fighting to get them back, contracts are full of legalese and terms where a comma can make a difference in what the contract clause means. So don't play with your career. Most of the time when I get a call because someone wants to get out of a contract, it is nearly impossible. Those contracts are usually written by lawyers. Also, it will cost you a fortune to go into litigation to try to get out. Don't sell yourself short, because it will be the most expensive lesson for you. And remember, attorneys take different kind of payments. Would it be a fee for service, meaning, okay, they give you a flat fee. It's $500 to review the contract. Or maybe it's value billing where they take a percentage. So if you have a 4-year contract, they're going to take 5 to 10% of your revenue over the course of that time, which is paid by the record label, so you never come out of pocket. Also, you have to find out, are they going to give you a retainer? There are certain instances where an attorney is required to give you a retainer. At that point, the retainer is going to explain exactly what they're doing for you and what are the billable costs that could come into play that will cost you more, and you will sign it, but at the time you sign it, you also have to give them a down payment. What is their reputation? Do you want a pit bull that's hard to get along with? Do you want a known negotiator? Does the attorney have the ability to compromise? Do they explain things to you? And do they return phone calls? That's some of the things you need to be thinking about when you start talking to entertainment attorneys. Not everyone is the same, but it is important for you to feel comfortable. I have worked with clients who I have tried to explain contracts to that they really weren't interested. They just trusted me and wanted me to do my due diligence. I think it's important for you to learn, so I'm always trying to explain to the client what it is that the contract's doing. But that's not for everyone. Again, if you want to learn more about the music business, please check out my website at www.emusicentertainment.net. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me. And I'm here on the sidelines, cheering you on and supporting you in your music career. Have a great day.